Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we will guide you step by step through creating a simple speech-to-text interface using Brick's AI features. First, we will create an AI workspace for this series named AI Toolkit. Next, add a new application named Speech-to-Text AI. You can see an empty canvas appearing on the screen. If you want to use AI-related features, make sure to go to the Settings button in the top right corner, enable Application Options, go to Enable Unstable Features, and choose Yes. Some AI features are still in an unstable state but can support more testing and applications, so it's recommended that you enable them. First, we need to enable the Speech-to-Text function. Then select the AI model type for speech-to-text. Add a generator component, the module we use to handle speech-to-text, and name it STT for short. Select a template. We have two options, Speech-to-Text Platform and Speech-to-Text ONNX. Speech-to-Text Platform uses the speech-to-text model provided by the device's platform, such as iOS for iPhones or Android for Samsung devices. These models are well optimized for the respective platforms and typically offer the best quality available. Speech-to-Text ONNX is another open-source model, which means it is developed and maintained by a community of developers and is free for anyone to use. Let's select the best-performing option, Speech-to-Text Platform. Note two settings in the right panel. Locale determines the language of speech recognition. For example, type ENUS in English or ZHTW in traditional Chinese. Contextual strings are used to set keywords or phrases that the AI should prioritize. For instance, in a restaurant ordering scenario, setting vegetarian and gluten-free keywords helps the AI recognize these terms more accurately. Next, we will set up the status display for speech-to-text. This helps us understand if the AI is actively listening to the user's speech. Go to the speech-to-text generator's outlet and add new recognized text data. This represents the text content converted by the AI from the audio, which helps users verify whether the speech-to-text conversion is accurate. Similarly, add new listening data in the outlet. This will indicate if the AI is listening. True means it is listening, and false means the microphone is off or the system is idle. Next, we will add a button to toggle listening on and off so users can start or stop recording by clicking the button. In Canvas 1, add an icon template brick and name it Start to Speech. First, add a button to start listening. We will use this button later to set up the stop function. Move the button to the lower part of the screen, click Select icon, search for Mic, and add the Start Listening button. Next, set up the button action. In the event panel on the right, edit on press, add an action, select Generator STT, and activate Platform STT Start Speech Recognition. This means that pressing the button will trigger the speech-to-text function. Now let's set up the Stop Listening function button. On the right panel of the Start to Speech button, click the plus on switch to add a switch and set the title as Listening. Next, set the condition for switching the button to listening status when clicked to start recording. Set the type to data, key to listening of STT, and value to yes, indicating that when the button is clicked, it switches to listening mode and the AI starts listening. In Properties, change the appearance of the Stop button. Replace the icon by searching for Stop and changing the color to red to indicate the stop status. Finally, set the button action, select on press, add an action, choose Generator STT, and set Platform STT Stop Speech Recognition, meaning clicking the button again will stop the speech-to-text function. Next, we need to add a text input field where the output from STT will be displayed. In Canvas 1, add a brick, select the text input template, and name it Transcription Output. Enlarge it and move it to the top part of the screen. In Properties, set Editable to No to make this field non-editable, as it is auto-generated by AI and does not need manual modification. Set default value to recognize text of STT, so the STT output is dynamically displayed here. Open the preview and adjust the appearance. Set the border style to Solid for a solid border. Adjust the line thickness by setting the size to 0.5 and set the radius to 2 for rounded corners. Go to Properties and set the text size to 3. Finally, add a text field to display the listening status of STT. In Canvas 1, add a text template brick and name it Listening Status. Place it below the button. In Properties, link the text to Listening of STT so this field can show whether the AI is listening to the user. For example, when you start listening, the status will change to true. When you stop listening, the status will change to false. Set the background color of the text box to gray, the border radius to 3, and the text size for true and false to 2. Don't forget to click Save in the top right corner to save your progress. Lastly, we will bind the device and test it in action. Click the microphone button and say something a customer might ask in a restaurant scenario, such as, "Are there any vegetarian options available?" You will then see the text box successfully display what was spoken. Congratulations on completing the setup for an AI speech-to-text interface in Brix. In the next video, we will show you how to use text-to-speech tools to convert text to speech. Thank you for watching. See you next time.